butterfly. He drinks the nectar of the flowers. Oh my god, that is so cute. Mama, ako ba kanino? Oh. He is collecting the nectar of the flowers. Look how cute, eh. Yung color niya kay black and orange or pink? Or fuchsia pink? May nga na, fuchsia pink. Sa'yo pa, wala pa. Kukuha ka, Jacob, no? Isa na to. Look, look, look.